people were asking me about what I was building a long time ago, and this is Multi Edit Vandalism. It's a PHP server that I run offline, and I do also have a GitHub for it. I also have a web page that I'm hosting it. It's being hosted on. But when the video game first starts up, you have a choice. Choose whether you're a vandal or an officer. A vandal, they can go on and they can create a word, and when they create that word, they can basically create this unprotected page. So basically there's a delete button there, and you can delete the word. If you're an officer, you can create a page, but there's no delete button. It's protected. Now, if you find a page that you want to delete that was created by an officer or a bad guy who was one, you can't delete it. It stays on there until someone a little bit more in the next part of it can come in there and delete it. In which that's a different step above police officers. Probably make it like a military officer or something like that right there, who can go in and delete something that someone put there to protect when it shouldn't have been protected. When you first go on, I'll show you what the officer part of it is. So if I go here, it's a three-dimensional world. I put the crosshair in the center of the page. Go here, type in, let's say bank.
Bank is protected.
It will say bank is protected. There's no delete button. Go back to the main menu. You can see it appeared up there, bank. So username, password, and bank is protected. Okay? For the vandal part, it's the same thing. Three-dimensional world. I'm going to put in car.
Car is not protected.
Not protected, and you can delete the page. Most people, if you want to vandalize the web page, if you want to vandalize it, you just click on delete.
You deleted the unprotected keyword.
Now when that person searches for it, let's go ahead and search for
car.
It won't be there, or it will be there because you just created it.
Car is not protected.
Just created it again. Okay, but it's not there. Once it's deleted, it's not there. I'll show you what I mean. So if I
You deleted the unprotected keyword.
If I go here and I go into the main folder for it, so if I go this /car.html, yeah, it's not there. Versus whether or not I put it in there. Okay, so basically this is how it all starts up at first. This is for the kids part, so the kids can play on down there in there. Okay, for us adults, okay, every time you create a word, it creates a building. So you see these little buildings right there? You see those 3 buildings? Those 3 buildings represent username, password, and bank, which are protected. Okay, so in real time, hopefully after so long, this page will show you buildings appearing and disappearing, and people arguing over words that they want protected, and words that got deleted, and words that are just being created over and over and over by someone, and pages that are getting deleted by someone. Okay, so this is in real time, by the way. So this map right here, this is going to show the buildings appearing. So all these other buildings are just regular buildings, but those 3 buildings right there where I got my crosshairs, those buildings are in real time. Every time someone types in a word, it's a new building. Go back to the main menu. If you're on GitHub and you see this page on GitHub, if you want to play the multiplayer version online, you have to click on the link below. This will bring you to where I'm actually putting it on there, and you can actually play multiplayer against each other. And remember, If this is the first time you're seeing this video and it ain't got no views on it, go to this page and start building on it as fast as you possibly can. Because the more words you put in, the more buildings I see on there, the more stuff I'll start adding in there that you can spawn in there.